Are you going to make a Central? I hope so, because I tell you what, this one has been a long time coming. It's been a lot of delays with everything going on in the world, but it's nearly here and I absolutely can't wait. At the time of filming this, it's less than 10 days away now. It's happening on the 30th of April, which is a Saturday, and the 1st of May, which is the Sunday. And it's also a bank holiday weekend, so you've got Monday off, which is even better. Makers Central is being held at the NEC in Birmingham, so nice and local for me, but nice and central for everybody else as well. The last two events were absolutely fantastic, and I think this one's going to be even better. There's plenty to see and do across the whole weekend. Lots of demos going on, some great talks are planned. There's some big YouTubers going to be there from all around the world to meet and greet, and there's lots for the kids to get involved with as well. So it's a fantastic day out for all the family. If you've already got your tickets sorted and you're going to be there, I can't wait to meet you all. I'm going to be there the entire weekend, so if you spot me, I'll be mowing around somewhere. Come and say hello. Let's talk woodworking, talk making in general. Just have a chat. That's the best thing about it for me. I absolutely love meeting everybody there. If you haven't got your tickets yet, but you're interested in going, I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can find all the information about it. Makers Central, it's going to be a good one, and I'll see you there.